Smoking and chewing of tobaccos. We all know that smoking kills and it is injurious to our health. The cigarette smoked by the youth and adult has an immediate health consequences, including addiction. Addiction to anything is bad, but it is worse when it comes to the addiction of smoking and chewing of tobaccos. Many youngsters, they get addicted or they get influenced to addiction as they see the elders consuming it or using it. Some they use it for fun or fashion, and some they use it due to the pressure given by their friends, and some to get reliefs from their stress, which they ended up getting addicted to it. But sadly, they fail to realize that it has a severe impact on their physical and mental health. It causes several kinds of diseases like oral cancer, lung cancer, asthma, stroke, etc. Consuming of tobacco during pregnancy may also even increase the risk of stillbirth or early delivery. It is estimated that every year 8 million people die due to the direct use of tobacco. And also, it is predicted that the life expectancy of an addicted person is 3 years after their diagnosis. All these diseases are incurable and may eventually lead to untimely death of an individual. Therefore, let us be a responsible youth. Let us think wise and act smart and refrain ourselves completely from the use of tobacco. Let us say no to tobacco and say yes to life. With this, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you.